Hi guys, Desi here. Welcome to my channel. Our video today is a little different because I will be talking about some work from home jobs that I have tried along with ESL teaching. In ESL teaching, as you all know, we are always talking with our students, and also we always are in front of our camera, not unless you are handling audio classes. Most of these jobs are non-voiced, or you can do it without talking. Literally, you're just going to work for some task and they will just tell you what to do. Most of these jobs are also flexible. You can just do it on your free time, and also you can just do it when you feel like doing it. So those are non-voiced jobs. So ibang mundo yung non-voiced jobs, or what we call virtual assistant jobs. Oh, by the way guys, if you have noticed, I'm using a new headphone or headset. It's from the Headset People. You can visit their page on Facebook. This is New Bee H360, and so far so good. I have good feedback from my students, and I will make a separate video for my review on this H360 New Bee H360, so it could help you decide whether to buy it or not. Okay, going back to the video guys, you just really have to test the waters, explore, and exhaust all the tools. So these are, again, based on my experience, and I'm just going to share with you. Maybe some of you will be inspired as well, and then, you know, aside from ESL teaching, you can find other work from home jobs as well, and then eventually you could also find other niches. Okay, I prepared a presentation, and let's go proceed to the presentation. Hey guys, so these are home-based jobs for you video. Just like what I've mentioned earlier, I'm not an expert in any of these jobs, but anyone can be an expert because you have all your resources. You can exhaust everything. May kilala ako na ibang home-based workers as well, or work from home people, and they are just relying on their resources, and also especially YouTube, because there's a lot of videos, helpful videos and tutorials that of course we can find on YouTube. And even they're not an expert, they can just follow some tutorials, and also they can study on their own. There are a lot of different pages and groups that we could join on Facebook as well, and we can really learn a lot. So okay, first job is that I have tried was Customer Service Representative, or CSR. I included this because there are also home-based jobs for CSR, TSR, and sales agents as well. So CSR is Customer Service Representative, and TSR is Technical Support Representative. So if you guys have skills, if you think that you have some skills in any of these jobs, you can go ahead and search or research something about these. Before I started working from home, I was a CSR in Makati City. Parang naikot ka na yata yung buong call center. I was a call center hopper. I'm not proud of that because I know that I messed around. That experience really made me more confident in applying. Okay, let's go to the task. You are going to be answering phone calls from the UK, Australia, or USA. You should answer their inquiries and concerns about their accounts. Yung iba, pinagko-compare nila yung CSR and ESL teaching. They are very different because when you're a CSR, you have to pacify your customers, and most of them are galit or unsatisfied. So you really have to pacify them and to provide them with the highest form of service that you could give. And in ESL teaching, you don't pacify anyone. You just have to teach, and you just have to also provide them with the highest form of service that you could provide. But then being a CSR, it's much harder than being an ESL teacher. I just don't know why they are comparing these two. Although if you have a good training ground as a CSR, TSR, or sales agent, you can find ESL teaching just easy because most of the students are kind and nice. They are participating. You don't need to pacify them, not unless it's a small child that you need na may tantrums and you need to pacify that child just to be able for him or her to learn. You're going to undergo a lot of trainings. Siguro kaya na-develop ko din yung pronunciation and accent. And nagamit ko talaga siya sa ESL teaching. In every call center or account na nakapasok ako, laging may accent training, laging may communications training, culture training. So there, maganda din talaga siyang training ground. Okay guys, the next job that I would share with you is very common. It is a very common work from home job. So this is what we call social media marketing or social media manager. These two are different. They have different tasks. Medyo complicated or mas complicated yung social media marketing because as the job describes, it is marketing. So you're gonna be in charge of the marketing strategy of the business of your client. And then social media manager, they handle social media accounts of their clients. They post related content, engage with customers or also followers. There are still a lot of social media accounts that you have to handle aside from Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and also Instagram. So there's still really a lot. I attended a training of social media marketing or manager from VAA Philippines, and there's really a lot of things to learn. Fun yang gawin, and then once you get used to it, you can just schedule the postings. In my experience, after the training, so I had fun doing the training. There are some exams as well, and at that very moment, alam na alam ko talaga siyang gawin. The client that was assigned to me had me doing something else, which is lead generation. So this is for TEGA or TIGA. I had to gather leads for the client's prospective customers, create articles for the clients, and also post in his social media accounts. And I read a lot. It was really exhausting for me because hindi naman ako mahilig magbasa. But then, it was also a new experience for me. So, yeah, I enjoyed that task as well. I gather leads for the client, do data entry. I felt like I was a stalker at that time because I was creating Facebook accounts, and then I visit pages or groups of the competitors, and also pages and groups of prospective customers. So lead generation is also fun to do, especially if social media person ka. You might find this job suitable for you. Next job that I have tried was content creator for English Byte. I think most of you guys are familiar with this. This is what I'm doing as well currently. I'm creating content for you guys, helpful videos. I research, I create videos, I edit, and post them on YouTube. Dito ako natuto. So, ang bait talaga ng client ko dito or ng boss ko sa English Byte. He provided me everything. He provided me the webcam, clear webcam. I'm still using it now, the Logi HD 1080p, if you would like to know. And also the ring. So every tools and equipment he provided for me. I was creating video lessons for people in the UAE. When he hired me, I was very happy because ever since I really wanted to start creating my own channel and then just share or do some vlogs. I am an introvert person and I have few friends. So, of course, I'm a family woman as well. Most of the time, I'm with my family, other closest friends. But then, I really wanted to share, and it seems like even if I share sometimes, they couldn't relate because iba-iba yung mundo namin. So, I wanted to find a channel or like an outlet for me to share something. I know it's not big, but then it's something, this is like a dream come true for me. I really like this job, being a content creator. Then I also had experience being a writer. So if you are interested, I became a writer at essays.ph. When I tried to input their website, they had changed into this, yonip.com. So if you are knowledgeable and if you would like to write articles, stories, you can go ahead and find some websites wherein you can create an account. Hindi naman ako expert sa pagiging writer or hindi naman ako expert sa ganitong niche, but then I've tried and I enjoyed it as well. But then talagang ubos oras siya. So you have to really research and read and write articles, revise it, right? Be imaginative and passionate about writing. You can visit this website, essays.ph or yonip.com. I also had experienced being a credit repair agent. So in this job, I had to delete bad credit history of clients. Madali lang siya, copy-paste. You just have to follow certain task. Ang hindi ko lang talaga natatagalan na is the graveyard shift. But they have complete benefits. Pwede din siya isabay sa ESL teaching. Nakakaantok lang talaga yung graveyard shift. Next one is Transcriptionist or transcriber. You can visit gotranscript.com. So in this job, you have to listen to audio or video and type out what you hear. So I became a transcriber at gotranscript.com. You have to have a great quality headset and you can download helpful tools for your transcription jobs as well. So this also pwede talaga siyang isabay sa ESL teaching. When you have free time, you can log into your account and then go and wait for some transcription task there. You can also go ahead and check out this job. Next is website review analyst. This one, para siyang pamatay oras kasi every time you don't have a student, you can just log into your account in usertesting.com. Malaki yung rate niya, especially if you qualified. So you have to answer some questions first to know if you are qualified to review a website. So in this task, you just have to review the website, like speak out what you think. The clients here, they wanted to know if their website is good to go. If their website is user-friendly, or if there are something that they need to change before they launch their website. So you can check them out as well, usertesting.com. It's also recommendable. These are other home-based job opportunities that you could try. Bookkeeper, data entry, copywriting, animator, graphic designer, programmer, survey taker, voice acting, voice talent, translator, website review, dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of my list that I really wanted to learn. Online selling as well. This is what I have to say to you guys. Don't be afraid to explore. If you have all the tools and equipment, have the courage. You have everything right in front of you. Train yourself, exhaust, and utilize all your tools. Try until you find your heart in one niche. In my case, I have found my heart in ESL teaching. And next one, these are the websites that you could visit and create an account. You have LinkedIn, onlinejobs.ph, Fiverr.com. I'll be having a separate video on how to create an account and create a gig in Fiverr.com. Go Transcript.com, usertesting.com. You can also have these agencies. I think there's some sort of agencies. Crewbloom.com and cyberbacker.ph. I'm gonna put all these links under so you can go ahead and check them out, create an account, or apply as well. That's it for today, guys. If this video helped you, inspired you, and made you learn something, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. On my next video, I will announce the winners of the massage pillows. Till then!